I have Munchkin baby wipe warmer. This is a short video on our review as well as how to use Munchkin wipe warmer, and we start right now. A wet baby wipe is usually cool, if not cold, and this is usually enough to wake up and irritate any baby. But warm up the same wipe and it's a whole different experience. It especially helps to make the nighttime journey easier for the baby as well as the exhausted parents. So, do I need a baby wipe warmer? While it's not a must-have, I would highly suggest one for winter babies as well as for the night shifts. We overall had a very good experience with the baby wipe warmer, and they're also not that pricey. The price changes all the time, so I put a link below to the Munchkin wipe warmer. If you get this through the link, with no additional cost to you, we get a very small referral commission. Thanks for the support to help us create more content like this. Let's see how to use the Munchkin wipe warmer. Slide the green locks on the side forward. Open the white lid. Put the wipes into this section. So you take a pack of standard wipes and it holds up to, I believe, 100 standard size baby wipes. Pull the top wipe through the opening. Close the lid and lock it by sliding the locks back. When you need a wipe, just open the small green lid to access your warm wipes. For nighttime changes, press this green button at the front of the warmer to turn on the light. The light will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. This night light is not really strong, so you cannot use this as a night light. Munchkin wipe warmer has a top-down warming system, so the warming element is in this area. I have a thermometer. Let's see what I get. I see coming in just over 100 degrees F or 38 degrees C on the top side. On the bottom surface, I get about 70 F or 21 degrees C. So the wipes feel more comfortable by your baby while it is not hot to burn him or her. Also, the bottom surface is almost not getting any heat, which is good. I did find that the wipes tend to cool off quickly outside the baby wipe warmer, so I suggest using them right away after pulling them out. Munchkin wipe warmer has this flip top lid to get the wipes. You can access wipes through this lid. The lid keeps the moisture in. You occasionally could see some moisture built up. It is important to fully close the lid. I forgot to do so a few times and some layers of the wipes dried out. So I see a common question. Can you leave the wipe warmer on all the time? I would say if you close the lid and use the wiper often, you will not have any issues like dry or brown wipes. Though we mainly use this overnight, so this is usually off during the day. You need to plug the wipe warmer into an outlet and no batteries are needed. The cord is long enough, about 8 feet or 2 meters. But remember that your diaper changing station should be close enough to an outlet. Remember, this is not a shutdown button. So if you need to turn the Munchkin wipe warmer off, you have to pull the plug. There is this window that allows you to see the wipe level inside without opening the wipe warmer. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. In this channel, we cover baby related items like this video. For more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you next time.